Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sun. Today I will be filming a video on some hair I purchased online. It is called Love Me Hair. This would just be an unboxing. I'm actually on my way to go get my hair done right now with this hair. That's why I have on a hat and this hair is looking a mess, so don't mind that. But yes, so I heard a lot of good things about this hair. I watched several videos on this hair. I know somebody who's actually purchased a wig from this company, and they said they haven't had it for over a year, maybe close to 2, and it's doing fine. Like, you just have to do good maintenance on this hair. So far as the videos that I saw, I didn't see any bad ones, but me and watching videos, a lot of these girls get sponsored, and I just feel like they'll say whatever just to, keep their sponsorship. So I'm not 100% like big on just going with what people say in these videos, but I did watch them just to, see at least what was believable to me. So I was strolling down Instagram and I saw this hair come down and it looked very familiar to me. So I asked my hairstylist if she heard of it and she said no. So I'm like, I didn't heard about this hair from somewhere. But I ended up showing it to my sister and she was like, oh yeah, I want to purchase hair from them and I want to get a wig and da 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 da. And then one of her friends, which is also one of my friends, but she's close to my sister, she was saying, yeah girl, I'm about to order me a wig right now. As we was talking, she had purchased her wig like right there on spot. So they ended up telling me about our other homegirl that actually already has a wig and was like, yeah, Destiny got her wig from here and da 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 da. And I was like, I remember her telling me that, but I don't remember the company she said. So I talked to her about it. She said she got it from Love Me Hair. She likes it. She's had it for over a year, and now she's saying that it's kind of hard to maintain, but she doesn't feel like she did, the proper maintenance on it throughout all of that time. So it could be better. So enough with all that rattling. I just had to, give y'all a little insight on what I know about the hair. And I'm going to go ahead and open the box. The packaging, for one, is beautiful. Like, it's purple, the box. What I did notice is when I got it, it was kind of broken right there. But, with shipment, you don't know. It took this hair maybe a week. I'm gonna say about 6 days to come, because it says 3 to 5 days, but it was a little longer than that because it was supposed to come Saturday. I got it yesterday, which was Monday, and today is Tuesday. So I'm doing the unbox for y'all. Okay, the first thing when you open it, it says enjoy your hair journey from now on, from the founder of Love Me Hair. Open. Okay. All of this is cute. There's some other stuff in here too, but I'm gonna start with her first because I know this is what we want to know about, because I'm dying to know about this here. So what I got was 3 bundles and a closure. Okay, so these are the 3 bundles. I believe I got these in 24 inches. Yes, they're 24 inches. And the packaging is really pretty with the ribbon and the little tag on it. The tag has just marks the length that you have, and it just gives details about the hair on the back. So take the hairnet off, and nice. It's soft. It's really soft, I will say. It it's really nice and soft. I'm excited. I need my hair done, girl. Okay. It doesn't have a smell to it. But you know, some hair smell like, you know how you buy a new car and like certain stuff does have a smell to it, but it doesn't have a smell. It just smells good. Okay. I'm not gonna open all of the bundles, and I got a closure. I think the length of the closure is 20. And it was a bundle deal, so, and all for this hair, I paid, I think it was $194, because they had a promo code. So, because at first, when I did my total, it was like 201 or 204, excuse me. And then after that, I think I got caught up doing something else. I got a phone call or something like that, because I was, you know, starting the process about the order. But I clicked off of the website to do whatever I got distracted on, and then I got a code sent to my phone, and I put the code in. Excuse me. Ooh. But I put the code in, and it made it a little cheaper, so I paid like $194. Excuse me. I don't know what's happening there. So yeah, the closure, I think it's supposed to be bleached or whatever it's called already. And I don't know what my hairstylist is gonna do to it, but I'm gonna give y'all a full update once I do get my hair done. I'm gonna do an update video. I probably film a little bit the day that I ooh, so sorry. But I probably film a little bit the day I get my hair done, and then wear it for a few days, maybe a week, and then film more and just, you know, combine all of that into one video so y'all know how I really like the hair. This doesn't smell either, and it is really, really soft. The only thing is I don't know what grade of hair this is. If it's like 9A or what, but it just says 100% virgin hair. So I'm super excited. This will be my first closure. All I ever get is like traditional sew-ins or quick weaves. I never had like a lace front or closure sew-in, but I'm working on getting my hair, you know, right at the top, so I don't want to have any braids or anything that's going to break my edges off. I'm trying to get all my hair thick and healthy, so trying something new. And if this hair works out and I like it the way that, you know, I should, I'm going to try one of those frontal wigs and also give y'all an update on that and all of that. So also inside this box, other than the hair, they gave me a few gifts. It's a brochure about returning and refunds and how to care for your hair and how to use it and, you know, details about the hair. They gave me a wig cap. Okay. This little baggie here is cute. It has a comb in it. Oh, they gave me a Love Me hairpin. Okay. I like that. It's really cute. Okay. They gave me the hair wax stick. Okay, Love Me hair. Some bobby pins. And I guess this is the band that people sew on to their wigs. And like tweezers, little things. And also in here, Love Me 3D Mink lashes. Oh my god. Okay. They did that. They trying to get me all dolled up. The thing is, I can't wear lashes in my joint and I don't know how to put them on, but I'm gonna see if my hairstylist will put them on for me because I want to get a nice little bitch for y'all, the post and all that. But yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for this update, for more videos, for just to kick it with Sun. And I'll see you guys in another video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye-bye.